Okay, welcome back. It's the end of week 14 at the Crown. Really great progress again this week. As we walk through, you'll see that all the rooms are now formed, all the windows are now in, the rest of the metal framing is up, and we're a good way down the first fix with plumbing and electric. So as you walk around, you'll see all the electrical cables and then also the red and blue pipes that are coming, bringing the water around as we go through some of the other rooms. So come on through, we'll take a start. We're at the top here now, this corridor. The guys are just starting to take this wall down. So this is where the old staircase used to come up. That's now been boarded, and then this corridor will run front to back, and it'll make a bit more sense when you see the guy knocking the wall out in a minute. Just coming through. So as we come through, so you can see they're just starting to take this wall down now. And then if we come around the other side, so you can see that's the other side of that wall we're at now. You can just see the plates on the side here for the new joists. So when that wall's down, that staircase comes out. We'll put a new floor in there, and then this will be a corridor all the way. We'll just come out of this guy's way. There we go. He's coming up the stairs. And then this area here. So again, we've got a little bit of walls to come out, a little bit of demolition to do. This will become a kitchen, and the area we've just walked through, so that will be kitchen. Then there's a bedroom and a communal space in here. So this will change shape a little bit as well. You can see the last bit of boarding and framework up there. So let's go downstairs to the middle floor now, and you'll start to see the plumbing and electrics really come to life there. So on the first floor now, stood in what will become the kitchen area towards the back of the building. If we come this way slightly, you'll see the new stairwell now is completely built from a construction point of view. So you can see the block work on the inside. The old windows blocked up, and then this will be the doorway, and the steels here, the supports are for the landing, and then there'll be another return. The staircase goes in this time next week, so by next Friday we'll be in a position where you'll be able to come up, as you should be able to, up the stairs through the new stairwell. As we go this way, so we've just talked at the floor above about the new floor and the corridor. So that's the staircase that's currently being used for access. So the same will happen above, but what's happened here is all the new joists have gone in, the new floor structure, and then that staircase will come out, and then this will be the corridor that runs the whole width of the building to make the access and give as bigger rooms as possible running front to back. So come on through, you can see some plumbing and electrics happening here. So we've got the hot and cold water running around, we've got all the electrics, everything's pretty much boarded now. You can see we've got the plyboard and then 2 layers of acoustic plasterboard to just keep the noise from passing through the rooms. And then also a lot of the ducting for the extraction is being run now as well. And then we've also got here the waste for the toilet, so everything will basically drop down there and out. We've covered the drainage before. And then again, we've got more rooms here. You can see the acoustic insulation up here that goes behind the plyboard, and then 2 sheets of blue acoustic plasterboard. So it should be really nice and quiet, this building, between the rooms. And then as we come out here onto the first floor roof, you can see again, as always, a lovely tidy site, and the stairwell structure that's now been built up. All the external brickwork is now complete. The roofers are up there. The structure has been built, the batten and membrane's now going on, and by the end of this week there should be a completely tiled roof, and then that will look finished, which means then we can bring the scaffolding down once the crest is on the front, and then everything is about working inside the building. So we'll just go quickly down and round to the front of the building and show you the ground floor. Follow me. Okay, so if you've been watching previous updates, you'll know that this is the inside of the stairwell. So this has changed again since last week. Some of the wall there has been removed, and there's now a structure going in to start the landing for the first floor staircase. So the stairs will go up here from the entrance hall that we're in now, up here, turn around and go back up again to the second floor. That goes in on the 4th of May, so 4th, 5th of May, we'll have a staircase that then will take us top to bottom up the whole building. So that's really exciting. This is the old barrel drop, which has been filled in. The basement down there, which will have the water tanks in. And then as we come through the building, this room in the back that was being used as a bit of a storeroom, this has now been metal framed. So this will be the bedroom area. And then this space here, there's a little bit of, again, of rejigging of walls. But this space here becomes the ensuite with the plumbing and drainage already in. And then if we come through, again, really good progress on first fix plumbing and electrics. We've got everything running around here. We've got all the walls pretty much boarded, all the windows in. Come through. More extraction. You can see the white pipes there. And then as we come round through here, again, all of this is working. See the old door there that we've been refurbished and put on the front of the building. And then the old, what will become the kitchen. So we've had quite a lot of conversations this week about this part of the building, this wall, and how much of this we could take down over and above the original plan to make a bigger open kitchen space. But we've come to the conclusion that for very little gain, there's a lot of steelwork that would need to go in to support that. So we'll stick with the original plan. This will become a kitchen diner with the communal area over here in the corner. And then along this side here, this old fire door, that will become a window, letting light into a nice utility area here. So that you have your washing machines and everything along here, kitchen in there, and then the living in there. So really great progress again this week. Tune in next week to see more.